8.3 this morning. Not bad. Landscaping again today. You know, I'm kind of running out of ways to make it interesting for you guys to watch me working. I'm sure you guys are sick of me mowing the same yards and doing the same thing every week, so I gotta keep it fresh, gotta keep it interesting. Today I'm gonna think about new ways to keep this vlog interesting, but still gonna make a video today. What's going on over here? The dogs are going off and the house alarm's going off. This thing is loud. Who knows? We'll see if the police show up. I guess it's just a false alarm. Squids are huge today. Oh man, I was sitting right here on this step. The big wave crashed up these stairs. Blasted me. I got soaked. It reached all the way up here. Got totally soaked. Both my boots are wet. Got worked. Done for the day. Coffee time. I think I'm kind of full today. I might just go with a coffee and a fruit salad and a green smoothie. And I'm back. Traffic was light today. Lucked out. Broccoli. You eat broccoli, bros?